Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm excited to be filming for you guys today. I have an Ipsy bag unbagging. This just came in the mail. I was supposed to get it last week, but for whatever reason I didn't. One of my best friends just signed up for Ipsy per like my videos and things like that, and she got hers sometime last week, and I was still supposed to get mine after she got hers, and then it just didn't come, and then we had the holiday, and so it's finally here, and I'm super excited to share with you what's inside. I know that I peeked and I looked like on my Ipsy profile, but I do not remember what is inside, so I'm just as anxious and excited as you guys are. So if you're unfamiliar with Ipsy, Ipsy is a subscription service. It costs $10 a month, and I do purchase this subscription myself, and I have been subscribed to Ipsy for probably 4 years now, going on 4, maybe 5 years. I'm not sure how long they've been around now. I just know like I've gotten it so long, and I look forward to receiving it every month. So opening up the mailer. I actually taped it down this month, which, you know, I'm okay with, because the last couple months it's been like open, and I'm not super okay with that. I have something outside the bag. I'll show you guys that in a minute, but this is what the actual bag looks like. So every month you get a little makeup bag, and this one's really cute. It's got like this mesh netting, and it feels like it's got some foaming material behind it, and then it's got this like seatbelt ribbony looking stuff, and like a shoelace for the pull tab, and then this is plastic. So it's super cute. It's very summery. I wouldn't expect it in January. I guess it's kind of got like that workout vibe to it, and everyone's like, oh, resolution, I'm gonna work out. That was one of my resolutions, and then I was sick at the beginning of January, and I just have not had time to work out like I wanted to. So I'll try and do better, but that is what the bag looks like this month. It's super cute. I am definitely a fan of it, and I love it, and pretty sure my older sister's probably gonna ask me for this one because these are her colors. Moving right along, this is the card. It says, I will conquer blank. So this year, I guess, I get to figure out what I'm gonna conquer, and I'll get back to you guys on this, but I guess the theme is game face. In fact, you've got this. Whether it's running a 5K, nailing a job interview, or a consistent skincare routine, everything you need to crush your 2018 goals is already within you. That is true. I really like that quote from them. But since we could all use a little extra motivation sometimes, your January glam bag, 5 personalized pics, and the articles on Ipsy.com were designed to keep you game-faced and ready for anything all month long. We even teamed up with Candice Huffine of Day/1, an empowering activewear line, to express that everybody and everybody can slay every day. What will you conquer? Fill in the blank on the flip side of this card, post it on social, and tag Ipsy and Ipsy Game Face. Make sure to cheer on other Ipsters too. Let's reach our goals together. And then they mentioned their Ipsy shopper, which if you go onto Ipsy.com, they have like a shopping thing now where you can get cash back similar to Ebates. But I really like that card, and I'm going to think about what this year I want to conquer, and I will let you guys know at the end of the video. But moving on, I guess the first thing that wasn't inside the bag, that was just inside the mailer, it is a little bit squished, as you guys can see. And this is from Laneige. I do really like their skincare line, and this is a lip sleeping mask for all skin, and I'm glad it's in a nice container because the box is severely smashed, but this is what it looks like. Just a little pink container, and it has a twist off cap, and then I guess just this, yeah, just the balm inside. So it's just like a balm. Ooh, it smells really good. Kind of fruity, but like subtle. And it feels super moisturizing. You guys, I just got off work, and I look a hot mess right now. I look so tired. My eyes are starting to turn red, and I'm starving. Like right when I turned the camera on, my stomach let out like the biggest grumble because it is so hungry. So I'm gonna make this filming quick so that I can go and like eat a little snack, and then I have to go to my second job, and then I can relax. But hopefully I can get a snack in and maybe a little nap before my second job. Fingers crossed. So moving on to the rest of the bag, I also have from Global Beauty Care, a charcoal wash off mask in this little squeezable pouch. These are kind of nice. They're not my favorite pouches because I feel like I waste a lot of product when I get up to like the nozzle, but I do really like this. I'm excited about it, and I love masks, so that's exciting. Next up, I have from So Susan Cosmetics. It's a liquid matte longwear liquid lipstick in pumpkin. And I'm gonna open it up for you guys. Okay, so I got it open. Ooh, that smells real good. Super sweet. I really like it. The color's not my favorite, but I wish like that this smell was like Kool-Aid or like a drink of some sort because it smells so good. It's like sweet and fruity with like subtle hints of vanilla. Oh my gosh, you guys, I wish you could smell it. It smells so good. But this is what the color looks like. It's kind of like an orangey, nudie pink color. Not my favorite. I feel like it won't look the best on my skin tone. Let's go ahead and apply some for the rest of the video though. Okay, so it's not terrible. It's not as orange on my face as it looked on my hands. I guess it's kind of like a terracotta color. I guess it looks okay. It feels really nice, really smooth, but that could also be from the Laneige lip sleeping mask that I put on. I don't know. But the smell alone is amazing. I can feel it starting to kind of dry down and get tacky like on the edges of it. Next up, I have a Ciate London Fierce Flicks eyeliner. My friend got this and she showed me the contents of her bag, and she actually gave me one of her items. It was a purple pigment, eye pigment, and she actually got this in her bag, and this is one thing that I did remember that I had. Alright, I got the wrapper most of the way off, enough to actually like take the cap off, but it's just a felt tip black liner. I love felt tip black liners and I was in need of a new one, so I'm super excited about this. And I'm just going to make a little line. Very black, very pigmented. Very nice. I am so excited about this. Next up I have from Briogeo, ooh, that's one of my favorite hair care brands. Briogeo Scalp Revival Charcoal and Coconut Oil Micro Exfoliating Shampoo. No sulfates, silicones, or parabens. I'm super excited about this. It says this creamy micro exfoliating scalp shampoo contains gentle coconut-derived cleansers and vegetable-based exfoliators to gently remove dead skin and impurities from scalp and hair. A nutrient-rich blend of coconut oil, panthenol, and tea tree oil help restore balance and moisture to the scalp while soothing itchiness and irritation. Detoxifying benzoatan charcoal draws out impurities to rid the scalp and hair follicles of dead skin and product buildup. And then you just wet your hair, massage vigorously, scalp to ends, rinse and repeat as necessary. I'm really excited about this because I do have a really dry scalp and I have to use like tea gel that you can get. I use the one from Equate. It's the one that I feel like works the best for me. Head and Shoulders doesn't work for me. Neutrogena doesn't work for me. But the tea gel from Equate from Walmart, that one works really well. So I'm really excited about this. Hopefully it will help like with the dryness that I deal with on a daily basis. So I'm super excited about that. And then my last product is from the Balm, and it's the Mary Luminizer. And I'm excited about this too because when I first started filming videos and watching videos, Mary Luminizer was like the hot like highlighter, and I always wanted it but never wanted to spend the money on it, so I never got it. And now I finally have like a little baby one, but there's what the case looks like. The Balm's packaging is so beautiful, and it's just like a little flip open, and it's just a little tiny highlighter. I'm so excited, you guys. Oh, so pretty. I remember seeing like everyone talking about it and raving about it, and I was just like, I need this because all the gurus are talking about it. You can kind of see that little sheen underneath the eyeliner. Super pretty. I am so excited about everything that I got in my bag. Like, this was a really good bag. Good way to start the year for me, Ipsy. I'm super excited. I'm excited to use these products. I'm excited to give you my feedback, especially on this hair mask. I do really like this liquid lip. It is Very, very sticky though. I like the smell of it. Maybe I should say that. I really like the smell. This is going to be awesome because I love like lip balm soothing products. Love the eyeliner. And you can't go wrong, of course, with a mask. And this year, I think I'm going to conquer my fear of being judged. As you guys know, I'm going through a lot of changes in my life. Making a lot of big changes and it's been trying, it's been challenging, and I've gotten a lot of judgments from it. And this year I want to kind of let go of that fear of that negativity, because people are going to talk no matter what. And this past year I have done a really good job of that, and I just want to continue to do that. So go ahead and tell me down below what is something that you want to conquer this year. If you receive Ipsy, go ahead and let me know what you received. If you're interested in signing up, I will have a link down below. It's nothing I get paid for. Again, this is just something that I enjoy, and I just get points for it that I can use in the Ipsy shop. Which reminds me, I had ordered something from the Ipsy shop and I did not receive it, so I have to look into that. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'm glad that I was able to sit down and film it with you guys today, and I will talk to you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.
Oh, don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said shut up and dance with me.